When we think about living a long, healthy life, our minds usually race to two things: diet and exercise. We obsess over macros, we track our steps, and we choke down green powders. But there is a third pillar, one that is quieter, more passive, and yet biologically more powerful than any supplement you can buy. That pillar is sleep. Specifically, the consistent achievement of 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night. We live in a culture that wears sleeplessness as a badge of honor. "I'll sleep when I'm dead," we say. But here is the irony. If you don't get your 7 to 8 hours, you are accelerating your journey toward that deadline. Sleep isn't a passive state of shutting down. It is the most active anabolic state your body enters. It is the nightly maintenance shift, where your body repairs the damage of the day and prepares you for the next. Let's break down why this specific window, 7 to 8 hours, is non-negotiable for longevity. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. The brain. The midnight power wash. Let's start with the brain. During the day, your brain is a bustling city, generating metabolic waste as it processes information. One of these waste products is amyloid beta, a protein that, if left to accumulate, forms sticky plaques. These plaques are the hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Now, here is the miracle of sleep. During deep, slow-wave sleep, your brain cells actually shrink by about 60%. This creates more space in the interstitial fluid, allowing the glymphatic system, the brain's plumbing system, to surge into action. It literally flushes away the toxic debris that accumulated while you were awake. But this system has a caveat. It needs time. It takes approximately 7 to 8 hours to complete this cerebral cleansing cycle. If you cut that short by even an hour, you are leaving neurotoxins in your brain to fester. Sleeping 6 hours isn't just a little tired. It is allowing the biological seeds of dementia to be sown, night after night. Now, move that hourglass down from the brain to the chest, the heart. Sleep is the only time your cardiovascular system gets a true break. When you sleep, your blood pressure drops and your heart rate slows. This is called the nocturnal dip. That dip is crucial. It allows the blood vessels to relax and repair micro tears caused by the stress and inflammation of the day. In a 7 to 8 hour sleep window, this dip lasts long enough to reset your vascular system. But if you cut that sleep short, say to 5 hours, your blood pressure remains elevated through the night. It's as if you are driving your car with your foot on the gas pedal even when you're parked in the garage. Over months and years, this chronic strain leads to arterial stiffness, plaque buildup, and significantly increases the risk of heart attack and stroke. The data is stark. Individuals sleeping less than 6 hours have a 48% higher risk of developing or dying from heart disease. 7 hours isn't a suggestion. It's a cardioprotective requirement. We cannot ignore the hormonal consequences. Sleep is the gatekeeper of your endocrine system. Specifically, look at the balance between ghrelin and leptin, your hunger hormones. When you are sleep-deprived, your body pumps out excess ghrelin, the hunger hormone, while simultaneously suppressing leptin, the fullness hormone. This is an evolutionary survival mechanism. The brain interprets sleep loss as a sign of famine or danger and demands high-calorie fuel. This explains why, when you're tired, you crave carbs and sugar. It's not a lack of willpower. It's a hormonal hijacking. Furthermore, deep sleep is the prime time for growth hormone release. This hormone is essential not just for muscle growth, but for cellular repair and immune function. By sleeping only 6 hours, you're effectively telling your body to store fat, crave sugar, and stop repairing itself. It's a formula for metabolic syndrome and accelerated aging. Finally, we have the immune system. While you sleep, your immune cells, specifically T cells, get to work fighting off infections and identifying cancerous cells before they can multiply. Research shows that a single night of 4 hours of sleep can reduce the activity of natural killer cells by up to 70%. These are the cells that hunt down tumors. Sleep, in this sense, is not a luxury. It is an immune booster shot you give yourself every single night. So, when we ask the question, why 7 to 8 hours of sleep is a pillar of longevity, the answer is biological and unassailable. It is the nightly foundation upon which a long, vibrant life is built. It is not about laziness. It is about maintenance. It is about clearing the brain's waste, repairing the heart's vessels, balancing the body's hormones, and fortifying the immune army. We spend 1/3 of our lives asleep. Don't look at it as time wasted. Look at it as the price of admission for having a sharp, healthy, and energetic life for the other 2/3. Turn off the screens, cool the room, and protect your 7 hours. Your future self isn't just asking for it, your biology is demanding it. Thank you.